All right, guys, we're out here. We're in the backyard of my aunt's house. She told me about her unit number one, which is the one upstairs. She has two units. It's a two-story home, right? So she told me about her AC that's not working. It's me, it's Raya. Go ahead and subscribe. Just here to help people out. That's about it. Uh, Not for my own benefit or anything like that. Just to help people out. To troubleshoot home ACs. Here you go. So I get here, guys. Right now it's about 95 here in Surprise. It's supposed to get up to 110, 112. So I get here, took it apart. Make sure you take out the fuse for the disconnect, right? Make sure you take it out. Here's my tools right there, my Harbor Freight tool. All right, guys, I'm not even gonna check it. Actually I am, so I can show you guys. But you see that? See the rust and the bulgy on top? See the bulgy on top? Look at that. See that? It's bulging, guys. Look at that. It's rusted. So I need to get a 35 for the compressor and 5 for the fan, right? So right now I'm gonna get on the phone after I finish this video. Get on the phone and see. Oh, you take it so and see where to get it. Okay. So, anyways, make sure you take a picture, which I did already. Let me double check on that. I got two phones. Watchalo. Just a little morning laughter, huh? Well, let's put it right here, guys. Let me make sure I took a picture of it. My galeria. Did I? Nope. Yep, I did. Let's go ahead and oh, sorry guys. Let's hurry up here. It's supposed to get real hot. We could even go a step further. Can't read that one. Can you read this one? Yep, common. Right on, brothers. So, common, fan, brown, yellow, my herm, and then these two. Who's that, blue and red? Alright, guys. Got my clean tools here. I got a good price on this one right here. Let's go ahead and put this on microfarads. Select. Here, microfarads to read microfarads. Once again, make sure your connections are good. This is what I'm using, guys. Okay, you guys ready? Let's get some of these guys here. Be careful. Actually, let's make sure it's disconnected. Huh? See that, guys? Make sure this is a fuse. I'm testing it, making sure it works. Now let's check it here. Okay, there's no power, but that doesn't mean it's not holding the charge. This discharger, right, guys? Stick it insulated. Stick it in there, like that. Make sure it's discharged. Better safe than sorry, right? Is it still recording? Yup, still recording. Let's keep it going, guys. Let me pull out the terminals. Check it out, guys. I marked it. To my understanding, my chicken scratch, you know. But look at, I don't know if you can see it. See that? All the rust, and it's bulging. See, it's bulging, guys. Okay, let's go ahead and test it. Right? So common here, that's why you mark it. See, do those steps a little easier, right? Common and let's do the common and the fan. What do we got? We got nothing, guys. See that? Just testing it. That's the fan. Let's do the Herm, which is the one next to it. Wow. Yeah, nada.